Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our SS class. All are happy and fine? Okay, I also fine. Dear students, previous class we discussed about globe, map, atlas and directions, right? Do you remember last class? How many directions? Tell me, how many directions? Yes, 4 directions. Yes, correct. They are north, south, west and east. Right? Okay. Then what is a globe? What is a globe? Yes, globe is a small model of earth. Globe is a small model of the earth. Okay. What is atlas? Atlas. Yes. A book of map is called atlas. A collection of maps. You know, a book of map is called atlas. Okay. Then today we are going to discuss continents and oceans. Okay, continents and oceans. First we are discuss about continents. Our earth made up of land and water. Am I correct? Our earth is made up of land and water. Okay. 1/4 side land and 3/4 water. 1/4 land and 3/4 water. Okay. What is continent? Continent means one kara. Continents means one karagal. Okay. Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. Do you understand? Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. Okay. Then all of you take your textbook. Page number 192. 192. 192. Are you ready? Do you see the heading? Continents. Yes. Look at the paragraph. The land mass of the earth is divided into sections that are shown in different colors on maps and globes. They are called continents. There are 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. 7 continents in the world. All of you look at the board. 7 continents. Okay. First one, Asia. First one, Asia. Then Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. 7 continents once again. First one Asia, then Africa, then North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Okay. Asia. First one Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Do you understand? Asia is the largest continent in the world. Then Africa. Africa, second largest continent in the world. Second largest continent in the world. Which continent? Yes, Africa. Then Africa also called dark continent on the world. Dark continent in the world. Okay. Africa, the second largest continent, and Africa also called dark continent in the world. Okay. Then third continent, North America. North America, the third largest continent. All of you understand? North America, third largest continent. Do you understand? Okay. Then fourth one, South America. South America, fourth largest continent. Fourth largest continent, South America. Then fifth one, Europe. Europe, second smallest continent. Europe, second smallest continent. Do you understand? Europe, second smallest continent. Okay. Then Australia. Australia, smallest continent in the world. Do you understand? Australia, smallest continent in the world, and Antarctica. Antarctica, also called coldest continent and white continent. Do you understand? Antarctica, also called coldest continent in the world and white continent in the world. Antarctica, full of ice. Ice continent. Do you understand? Ice. Ice color white. Then this Antarctica called white continent and coldest continent. Do you, okay? All of you understand? Once again, Asia. Asia, largest continent in the world, and our India, our country India also, which continent? India lies this largest continent, Asia. Okay. Our India, part of the Asian continent. Okay. Then Africa. Africa, second largest continent in the world. Africa also called dark continent on the world. Then North America, third largest continent. Okay. Then South America, fourth largest continent. Okay. Then Europe. Europe, second smallest continent. Second smallest continent, Europe, and smallest continent, Australia. Smallest continent, Australia, and second smallest continent, Europe. Largest continent Asia and second largest continent Africa. Do you understand? Yes. Largest continent Asia and smallest continent Australia. Largest continent Asia and smallest continent Australia. Do you understand? Then second largest continent Africa. Second largest continent Africa. Then second smallest continent Europe. Second smallest continent Europe and second largest continent Africa. All of you understand? Then white continent. Which continent is called white continent? Yes, Antarctica, white continent. Then smallest continent again Australia. Then second smallest continent Europe. Second largest continent Africa and largest continent Asia. Do you understand? What is a continent? What is a continent? Yes, very large land masses on the earth are called continent. Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. Do you understand? നമ്മുടെ എർത്ത് മേഡപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് ലാൻഡ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ടറാണ് അല്ലേ? ലാൻഡും വാട്ടറും കൂടെ ചേർന്നിട്ടാണ് എർത്ത്. അതിലുള്ള ലാൻഡില്ലേ, എർത്തിൻ്റെ 1/3 പാർട്ട് ഓൺലി ലാൻഡ്, 3/4 പാർട്ട് വാട്ടർ. ഈ 1/4 ലാൻഡ് കര, അതിൻ്റെ ഓരോ ഭാഗങ്ങളെ ഓരോ കരകൾ, ഓരോ വലിയ കരകൾ, അതാണ് കോണ്ടിനെൻറ്റ്സ്. അത് എർത്തിൻ്റെ പല ഭാഗങ്ങളിലായിട്ട് കാണപ്പെടുന്ന ലാൻഡ് മാസസ് ആണ്. ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ദാറ്റ് ലാൻഡ് മാസസ് ആർ കോൾഡ് കോണ്ടിനെൻറ്റ്സ്. കരകൾ, വെള്ളമല്ല കര. ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഹൗ മെനി കോണ്ടിനെൻറ്റ്സ് ഇൻ അവർ എർത്ത്? ഹൗ മെനി കോണ്ടിനെൻറ്റ്സ്? യെസ്, 7 continents. 7 continents. Then largest continent Asia, smallest continent Australia. Okay. Then continents are further divided into countries. Continents are further divided into countries. Our country India is South Asia. Our country India. This India, where which continent? Yes, Asia, South Asia. Okay. ഈ ലാൻഡ് മാസസിനെ, ഈ വലിയ കരകളെ ഓരോന്നിനെയും വീണ്ടും കൺട്രീസ്, രാജ്യങ്ങളായിട്ട് തിരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ. നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യം ലാർജസ്റ്റ് കോണ്ടിനെൻ്റ് ആയ ഏഷ്യയുടെ പാർട്ടാണ്. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ. Dear students, all of you look at the map. Do you see our continents? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, All continents you see. This is Antarctica, ice continent. Okay, this South America, then North America. Do you understand? This Africa, second largest continent, Africa. Then this our continent Asia, largest continent Asia. This Europe. Then Australia. All of you understand shapes and sizes of our continents? Okay, all of you understand? Okay, very good. Hi dears, next we can learn about oceans. Okay, 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. The water bodies of the earth appear in which color? Blue color. The earth's water bodies of the earth appears in blue color. Okay. Then what is ocean? Oceans. Do you hear this word oceans? Oceans means samudra. Okay. What is ocean? A very large bodies of water are known as oceans. A very large water body. That water body are called oceans. Do you understand? Very large bodies of water are called oceans. Okay. How many oceans in the world? How many oceans? 5 oceans. 5 oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Do you understand? 5 oceans in the world. First one, Pacific Ocean. Then second one, Atlantic Ocean. Then Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean in the world. Do you understand? Then Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean in the world. Second largest ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Do you understand? Okay. Then Indian Ocean, third largest ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay. Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean also called Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean's another name, Antarctic Ocean. Okay. Then Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean's the smallest ocean in the world? Smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. Largest ocean, Pacific Ocean. Don't forget. Largest ocean, Pacific Ocean, and smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay. Second largest ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Then third largest ocean, Indian Ocean. Then Southern Ocean, also called Antarctic Ocean. Southern Ocean's another name, Antarctic Ocean. All of you understand? Then all of you look at the page number 193. 193. 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. On a map or globe, the water bodies of the earth appears in blue. Very large bodies of water are known as oceans. Okay. There are 5 of them: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Do you understand? A body of water smaller than an ocean is called sea. What is a sea? A body of water. A body of water smaller than ocean. A body of water smaller than ocean are called seas. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes. Oceans എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ oceans സമുദ്രം അല്ലേ? സമുദ്രങ്ങൾ 5 ഉണ്ട്. 5. First one, Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Do you understand? Biggest, largest ocean, Pacific Ocean, and smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. Then Antarctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. Okay. Then sea. കടൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? കടൽ സമുദ്രത്തെക്കാളും വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ അളവ് കുറഞ്ഞ ഭാഗത്തിനാണ് കടൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ലാർജസ്റ്റ് വാട്ടർ ബോഡി ഓഷ്യൻ. ഓഷ്യനേക്കാളും കുറച്ചുകൂടെ വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ അളവ്, വാട്ടർ ബോഡിയുടെ ലെവൽ കുറവുള്ള ഭാഗത്തിനാണ് എന്ത് പറയുക? കടൽ, സീ. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ India is the only country in the world to have a ocean named after it. Do you understand? Indian Ocean. India is our country. India is our country. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. ഒരു ഓഷ്യൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ ഒരു രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ പേര് വരുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പേര് മാത്രമാണ്. നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ പേര്, നമ്മുടെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ പേര് മാത്രമാണ് ഒരു ഓഷ്യൻ്റെ മുന്നിൽ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഓഷ്യൻ. ഓക്കെ. ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദിസ് പോർഷൻ? ഓക്കെ. ഹൗ മെനി continents in our earth? How many continents? Yes, 7 continents. Yes. Then how many oceans? How many oceans in our earth? Yeah, 5 oceans. Don't forget it. Okay. Okay. Okay, today we are going learn about continents and oceans. How many continents in the world? Yes, 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, then how many oceans in our earth? Yes, 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Then Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean. Then Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, all of you read this page number 192 and 193 5 times or more. Okay. Okay, children, we will meet next class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.